Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut export not working on your CapCut mobile version. So let's start by open the one of your projects that you want to edit and export. So usually if you try to export the file, you can tap export here. If you have problem the exporting a stop or interrupted, so there is a bug or glitch on the CapCut of your mobile version. Or if you tap on this, the exporting will be quit and you will go back to your project here. So if there is that problem, you can try to hold the CapCut icon and go to app info. Try to clear the data first. So you can clear the cache and then clear your data and try to relog in your CapCut. So usually there is a problem with your storage space. So you can clear up your storage. Maybe you have a full of a space. Here you can go to the storage of your phone and try to clean some junk file on your phone and try to free up some space. So the last thing what you need to do is try to update your CapCut on the Play stores. Here you can update your CapCut. Just try to update it here. My CapCut version is updated. Last update in June 25, 2024. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.